What's up and welcome back to my channel, and for all of you that are new here, which there are a huge amount of you, welcome and thank you for stopping on by my channel and hitting that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, and let me tell you guys, the worst thing has happened. I can't necessarily say it's the worst thing, but my dishwasher broke. I've tried to fix the latch. It just simply won't close or like stay closed. So I fixed the latch, did not work. So if you happen to be a great dishwasher appliance person, please let me know in the comments any tips or tricks you have to get a dishwasher to actually close, because YouTube has not helped me during this time and I'm starting to go crazy. I'm at the point where I'm gonna have to break down and call that repair guy, even though I have tried my ultimate hardest not to have to do that. But here I am, hand washing dishes. I know, guys, I'm complaining about the littlest, minimalist thing here, having to wash dishes, and I know there are tons of people all over this planet that are not lucky enough to have a dishwasher. So I am very grateful that I have my dishwasher. I am just very annoyed that with a family of 5, it has now decided not to work when we are all locked down in our house. If you guys do not know, I am from Ontario, Canada, Southern Ontario, and we are still in the thick of our COVID. Here we are on a complete lockdown, a stay-at-home order, something that is issued until May 20th, and it's been going on since April 2nd. This is our third lockdown, hopefully our third and final lockdown, but I'm just doing the damn thing over here, guys. That's all I'm doing. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
wanna dance with you tonight. It's my only solution. Counting down what seems like hours, not enough.